got it. Look, I'm gonna show you how much rabbit poop is here. All right? I'm gonna just randomly walk around. Rabbit poop. All right? Just follow me here. Rabbit poop. Rabbit poop. Random walking, rabbit poop. They're crossing the road going to where the cows are. No, here it comes, here it comes. Sight chase. There's another one, there's two. Look, there's two. There was two. They're inside there. There's two rabbits in there. I need to go in there. Go inside there. Go inside that brush pile. Here he is, here he is, here he is. He's dead, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead. He's dead, he's dead. Here, Lisa, look. Here, Lisa, look. He's dead, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead. Another rabbit down. Not sure if I got him or not. I'm not sure, but we have more than one rabbit going. The dogs are running every which way. I got this one. I caught him running down this hill. The dogs are still going. They're not even coming this way. Them guys were shooting up there too. So I don't know what's going on. There's a lot of rabbits in here. There's so many rabbits in here, it's not even funny. We're just shooting the strays. The dogs keep going. It's like a thicket. I think he just ran that way. Oh, this rabbit's being tricky. Did you get it? He got it finally. Man. Finally. Got him. Good girl, Leah. Good girl, Leah. Drop him, Leah. Drop him. Drop him. Drop him. Drop him, Leah. Good. They ran the Milo across that field. We're jumping rabbits left and right. There's a lot of rabbits here. Rabbit in the hole. Daisy's trying to get him out. She's biting the sticks and trying to pull out. You're not gonna get him, Daisy. Can you get him, Daisy? You can't get him. He's down in there deep. You know that rabbit Daisy was digging at? I left her there for about 10 minutes, maybe a little less. She kept digging and digging. The rabbit came out of the hole where she was digging at. It slipped right past her. She got it out of there. We're back at the truck. We all got our limits. We got 18 rabbits today. Probably jumped over 25. And we were walking back to the truck and Daisy jumped another rabbit. And now we're gonna have to round up the dogs. 3 limits, 18 rabbits. On today's hunt, we did pretty good. A lot of rabbits, a lot of stray rabbits. Dogs circled a bunch. We seen they'd go in some areas and 2 or 3 would come out of there at a time. There's a lot of rabbits. Day 2. We already ran 2. Running strong. It didn't take a couple minutes to jump the first rabbit. We'll see what the day brings. I want to eventually head down there. It looks good. All nice and thick. It's like a wood draw. A bunch of rabbits are going at the same time. There's a lot of rabbits here. We didn't hunt any of this yesterday. This is another new spot. Rabbit in the hole. Blue sight chased him and he went right into this hole. He's trying to get him out of there. Another rabbit in the hole. Too many holes out here. Good boy, Blue. Come on. Come on, Blue.
Bring it here, Blue.
Come on, Blue. You can do it.
Bring it here, Blue.
Get him, Blue.
Bring it here.
Bring him here, Blue. Come on. Bring him here, Blue. Come on. Pick him up. Come on. Nope.
One, Leah. One.
Crossed. We've already got 18 rabbits today on the second day of our hunt. And they're still running. I can't catch her. The dogs ain't even gonna stop. Here for a while. We should have had our limits easily an hour and a half ago. I mean, we've seen so many rabbits today. Seemed like so many at a time. We're struggling down in these brush piles, so we moved away from there. But we've seen a ton in those brush piles. They just go from brush pile to brush pile, and we could never get a shot. We just needed a fourth guy. Could have easily got 24 rabbits out of here without a problem, without even thinking twice. But let's see here. Let's see if I can get him on film. Had another good hunt today. We were able to take another 3 limits, another 18 rabbits on this hunt. And I say we probably saw maybe close to 30 rabbits today. A lot more than yesterday. They were just everywhere. There's all the dogs. They did good. That pretty much sums up our 2-day trip.